Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your mouse speed and sensitivity to get a perfect response feel on an Ubuntu desktop. So the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So you can dig through the menu to find this, but the fastest way is to get to the exact right screen. You guessed it, the terminal. So open the terminal by going to the Apps section, then Terminal. Now we're going to use a command that launches the Settings app directly into the mouse category. So you can directly copy the command from the description box below and paste it right over here. Paste gnome-control-center space mouse, and then just simply hit Enter. Now, after you press Enter, a configuration window will pop up immediately. This saves you from clicking through a bunch of menus. Now, look at the window that just opened. You will see a section labeled as Mouse and potentially another for Touchpad if you are on a laptop. So find the slider labeled as Mouse Speed or Pointer Speed. Then just simply click and drag the slider to the right to make it faster and left to make it slower. It's totally up to you. You can feel exactly when it's right for you. And if you use a trackpad, you can do the same thing in the touchpad section just below it. Now, while we're here, there is one other setting people often look for. So look for the natural scrolling toggle. If your mouse wheel feels backward, like scrolling down makes the page go up, try flipping this switch over here. It reverses the direction to feel more like a phone screen. So once you're happy with the speed, just simply close the window and your settings are saved automatically. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to fine-tune your mouse sensitivity in Ubuntu. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.